Hey everybody, here at Hawkeye Point, highest point in Iowa. Let's go for a hike. Starting here at the Hawkeye Point Hall of Recognition. A bunch of people have donated to make this area possible. It's not a very long hike, maybe 100 yards over to the high point, but let's go. It's super windy today. I don't think that affects the audio too much, but let's go check out this barn first. So inside the barn here, they have a whole bunch of like historic things. They have historic farm equipment, hay balers, hay lifters, corn chuckers from the early 1900s, and it tells a little bit of history about Governor Harding of Iowa donating part of this land to the park or something. Yeah, pretty cool. Let's go check out some of the other things they have here. I missed this little monument here. Veterans of Osceola County. Thank you for your service to all the veterans out there. Alright, here's a bench from the High Pointers Foundation. They came up with a big silo here. It has like an overlook platform. And this is the Great Midwest. I find it interesting, when I was driving up to this place, I questioned whether or not it was really the high point, because a couple of other hills in the area looked a little bit higher, but now that I'm up here, it is most definitely the highest point in the area. Awesome. Couple more things down here we're gonna go check out. A plaque at the bottom. Iowa's highest natural point, 1,670 feet above sea level. So look inside the silo, see what you see in there. Kirk Grow. I don't know who that is, but thank you for making this project possible. Alright, this is kind of cool. Plaque with all different license plates. Local places on the other side. And the registry, I'll have to sign the registry in a minute. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Hawkeye Point is the actual high point. Yeah. I believe this is high point number 5 for me. 1,670 feet. Well, that was a long 100-yard hike over here from the car. Elevation gain of about 10 feet. Some cool signs here that point to all the other high points in the country. Kind of cool. Timms Hill, Wisconsin. Been there. Check out my video. Eagle Point, Minnesota. Been there. Check out my video. Alright. right, good times, good times. It is windy out here. Join me next week on Happy Trail Backpacking.